Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best mops that are available on the market for their true quality. I put this list together based on my personal experience and hours of research. I've ranked them by popularity, quality, price, durability, user reviews, and more. If you'd like more details or want to see the latest prices, be sure to check the description below. And don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Alright, let's get started with the video! Starting. At number 5, we have the Rubbermaid Reveal Microfiber Spray Mop Cleaning Kit with Refill. The Rubbermaid Reveal is a lightweight but rugged mop that frees you from hauling around a mop bucket. The cleaning kit comes with 3 machine-washable microfiber mop heads and 2 bottles for cleaning solutions, making this a cheap and flexible floor cleaning option. The design means the Rubbermaid Reveal is easy on your pocket and the environment. You don't need to buy batteries, disposable pads, or brand-specific cleaning solutions. The washable pads can be reused for years, and you can choose whatever cleaning solution you prefer, including biodegradable options. We recommend pairing it with our best floor cleaner, Better Life Natural. The microfiber pads can be used dry for dust and dirt pickup or with a cleaning solution for light mopping. The mop head includes a scrubbing pad to deal with tougher messes. We don't usually get a chance for a long-term product test, but Dave Ellerby, our chief scientist, has owned one for over a decade, and it's still going strong. The latest version is even better than the original, with a more rugged build and a larger scrubbing pad for tough stains. It's simply the best mop you can buy. Moving on, at number 4, we have the O-Cedar EasyWring Spin Mop and Bucket System. If you're most comfortable with the traditional model, meaning a long handle with a head that consists of woven strands of cotton fibers, go with the O-Cedar Twist Mop. It has a number of features that make it one of our best picks, including a removable mop head so you can throw it in the washing machine after each use, a bucket so you can easily wet and then rinse it off while cleaning up, and a spinning mechanism to help wring out extra water while in use. The spin mop and bucket are very easy to assemble. The spinner on the O-Cedar Twist Mop was the simplest and most effective of all we tested, requiring only a single spin to get the bulk of the water out of the head. Other mops required multiple spins or were left sopping wet. The main disadvantage of this particular product, which was common to other mop and bucket packages we tested, was the amount of storage space required and prep time needed to be ready to clean. If you live in a smaller apartment, finding where to keep your mop when it's not in use may be a challenge. You can't just lean it in the back of a corner. The bucket is handy but large. The O-Cedar mop worked well both on everyday dirt and on spills, though the amount of back and forth pushing was greater simply due to its design. It's a manual mop after all, meaning you do all the work. But it does get the floor clean whether you have hardwoods, tile, or linoleum. At number 3, we have the Swiffer PowerMop Multi-Surface Kit. The Swiffer PowerMop is a new Swiffer with many of the same features as the Swiffer WetJet, but adds an expanded mop head and a redesigned cleaning solution system. The system retains the familiar cleaning solution jets that fire with the press of a trigger, disposable mop pads, and a lightweight, easy-to-get-going build. The PowerMop's larger 16-inch mop head has thicker, tufted pads than the WetJet's. This head picks up more and covers more ground. In our tests, the pad sopped up a whole glass of milk. The system also includes a redesigned attachment mechanism for installing solution bottles. Our testers were enthusiastic about this feature, finding that the redesigned bottles click into place satisfyingly with very minimal leakage. The system does have a few downsides. We like the convenience that this mop offers, but beware it requires you to continuously reinvest in Swiffer mop pads and cleaning solution bottles. This new system uses smaller bottles of solution than the WetJet. These bottles currently cost about as much as the other system's larger bottles. Still, we think the PowerMop is a great addition to the Swiffer family that improves many features found in the WetJet. Those who are already fans of Swiffer products will find an expanded toolset here. At number 2, we have the Swiffer WetJet Mop Starter Kit. While the Swiffer WetJet isn't exactly a mop, it does all that you'd expect one to do, namely use a cleaning solution to pick up dirt from the floor. Only, the good news is that you don't have to pull out a bucket and fill it with hot water and liquid cleanser to use it. In about 2 seconds, you can be swiping your floor, which is extremely handy when friends or your in-laws are at your door. That's really its best feature. Ease of use. It doesn't take up much space in the closet and is immediately ready to go once you attach the disposable paper cleaning head to the base. The starter kit comes with 4 AA batteries, which powers the dispersal of the cleaning solution onto the floor, as well as the cleaner itself. Pop both the batteries in and load the bottle of cleaner and you're ready to go. Press the trigger button on the handle to spray cleaner on the floor and then push the WetJet around where it is needed. When you're done, pull the disposable mop head off and toss it in the trash. The one area where the Swiffer is less convenient is when picking up massive spills, as its head can only hold so much liquid. You'll need to have extras on hand to sop up the mess, and the cost of those adds up quickly. Expect to frequently reinvest in mop pads as you use your WetJet. It's still convenient to use in that regard, but you'll likely go through 2 or 3 sheets if cleaning up more than a glass of water or wine. If you've heard rumors, as we had, about the Swiffer cleaning solution being dangerous for pets, you'll be happy to know that several organizations have refuted that information. The ASPCA Animal Poison Control Center confirms that this product can be safely used around pets. And finally, at number 1, we have the Microfiber Wholesale 18-inch Microfiber Mop System. Microfiber Wholesale's 18s. Microfiber Mop's advantage is in its size. The sheer volume of the rectangular mop head means you can cover more floor surface area in less time. However, like the Norwex microfiber mop, you have to take the mop pad off to wring it out once soaked in cleaning solution. Or at least, that's what we did. The mop did a fair job of picking up everyday dirt and absorbing the cup of spilled liquid, though we had to go over the spill slowly several times to allow it time to sop it up. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. I hope to see you in the next video. Until next time.